nakakapagod. It's nakakapagod, yeah. We have a lot of, nakakapagod na, and, it's also a relief for us to be able to air our side to the media and to the, of course, to the Senate.
Sir, na-pressure ba kayo dun sa tatlong senador? Paulit-ulit na appeal nila na umalis na po kayo dun sa KOJC?
Of course, there's always that effect on us.
Sorry, pwede po bang para lang, sorry sir, did you feel any pressure from those senators po appealing na umalis po kayo doon sa...
Pasensya na kaya, palagi ko, bad breath na ako dahil matagal akong matagal akong hindi nakainom ng tubig at nanunuyo na lalamunan ko. Pero, of course, tatlong senador yun eh. So, the pressure is always there. The effect is always there that we have to consider what they're saying, even though, it may run against the operational procedures, it may run against our sworn duties. So, andun talaga, dagdag na isipin, kumbaga.
General, sir, are you going to continue with your operation?
Yes, of course. No question about that. We will... kanina open nakapasok ang mga media doon Yeah, but we will continue exploring that place and we will cordon it again as the need arises.
Sir, nagkasundo kayo sa Proton Relic? Nagkasundo niya ba?
That portion is canalizing us into one instrument. As I've said before, masyado namang tricky question yun. Hindi naman po pwede yun i-surrender namin ang buong operation dahil lang sa isang napili ni Atty. Torion na instrumento.
So you're saying that you're afraid, sir, of that challenge by Atty. Torion?
We have a lot of instruments, MJ, and I will not allow that we will be tricked into that corner by your lawyer and debunk all all other equipment. That's why we brought more redundancy.
So ano yung napakasunduan niyo, sir?
Wala kami napagkasunduan regarding that matter. Wala kami napagkasunduan. Isa lang siguro dapat pagkasunduan dito. Ilabas niyo si Apollo Kibuloy. Napakasimple. Doon lang ang katapusan ng lahat. Pag si Apollo Kibuloy ay humarap na sa huwes. Lagi niya sinasabi. Lagi niya sinasabi ninyo, MJ. Justice for Apollo Kibuloy. Saan hustisya niyo hinahanap ang hustisya na yan? Sa kalsada? Hindi naman po pwede dyan. Pag sinabi niyong justice for Apollo Kibuloy, ibig sabihin, ang hustisya, iisa lamang dito sa Pilipinas, nasa mga korte. At ang unang step para makatanggap ka ng hustisya ay magpasakop sa korte. And in this case, to surrender to the court. Yun ang rason dyan, yun ang paraan dyan. Wala nang iba. Just like any other Filipinos. We will re-strategize. Actually, I'm energized. Yung mga lahat ng pinalalampas namin na obstruction of justice, a-actionan na namin. Madadagdagan ng aresto, sigurado.
Sir, are you going to continue the... Sir, you said about hard
As the need arises, we will do whatever it takes. We will do whatever is needed to catch Apollo Kibuloy in that compound.
Sir, regarding obstruction of justice, continue the digging, sir?
Yes, we will be. The search will be conducted on our own terms, not on theirs. Nakita niyo naman eh.
Sir, can you expound lang yung sinasabi mong obstruction of justice pag hindi pa rin nakipag-cooperate yung hard justice? We're saying about it. Can you expound lang?
We will arrest anybody who obstructs the job of the policeman.
So are we expecting casualty?
We are. We don't have any other information that states otherwise. All the information that we have right now, nandiyan sa loob.
Sir, ano yung nag-obstruct? Are we expecting casualty?
As the need arises. That's our recommendation. They can heed it or not, but we have ways to enforce that if the need arises.
Sir, paano yung magiging grounds para mag-hard arrest tayo?
Basta may obstruction of justice, huhulihin na namin ngayon. Magtatrabaho ng maigi 24 hours ang ating mga arresting officers. Wala pa naman. It's all on my call.
So what can we expect tomorrow, sir?
Not tomorrow, tonight.
Tonight, so are you going to natin mo lang simplify yung hearing natin?
Meron naman. We're very thankful for the initiative of the Senate of calling this hearing. It allowed us to air our side, which for the past 2 weeks is not heard because there are ethical restraints, there are legal restraints, and now we're able to freely show you what challenges we're facing every day. Hindi naman sa baliwala. Of course, we consider the appeal of the good senator. We consider the appeal of the good senator. It's an input in the way we move forward in these operations.
Sir, as to the number of the police inside?
It will be always dictated by the operational needs and the operational conditions and the changes that will come over.
Sir, yung panawagan nilang access dun sa Cathedral, JMC, ano pong tugon nila?
Access naman, hindi naman. Dramatics na lang yun eh. Kasi at to this point, pumunta kayo sa Cathedral. At makikita niyo mga abogado nila doon nagbabantay sa lahat ng aming ginagawa. Diba? At saka sa dramatics na pinipigilan ng media, kayo nakakaalam. You know the answers. Pag akong tanungin nyo, the media is everyday welcome in KOJC. However, that is not a decision that I can make considering that it is a private entity. Nakakapasok kaming pulis sapagkat kami ay armed and search warrant and the rules of court allows us to break into this compound, into these enclosures, into these areas. However, kayong mga media ay wala niyan. Kaya lang, you can take the challenge of the KOJC that they're saying that you are welcome to go in there. So go in there and Go inside, roam around, investigate the police in there. Take videos of the police there in the innermost sanctum of QOJC. And let's see if you can do it. Or they will allow it.
May sabi mo kasi kanina more future diggings na mangyari, sir.
As the need arises, ang mga diggings. Pero kanina sinabi ko doon, kasi nga nakita namin, we are off by 2 feet. Maybe we'll do it 2 feet, 3 feet to the left of the wall that we saw.
Sir, your thoughts na lang, sir, on how the senators handle the committee hearing?
We have a high respect to our senators, and we always thank them, and I would like to express my personal gratitude to them for giving us this chance to also air our side, which have been so long suppressed during all of these operations.
But did you feel that the hearing was one-sided?
No. We were given a chance to air our side. The good senator had been very good to us. They gave us the chance to also give our presentation.
Pero sir, di ba nag-huddle kayo for a minute? Anong nangyari sa usapan niyo about the tunnel thing?
It's not about the tunnel, it's about a single instrument, which I do believe is scandalizing us and limiting us to a single instrument, considering that we have brought in lots of instruments that they don't want us to use. I don't think that's really fair, or I don't think that's wise. And again, that is another demonstration of, again, them insisting their way.
Sir, gano'n pa ito katagal?
Hanggang sa mahuli si Apo.
Ngayon pumunta tayo dito sa itong apela ni Bato de la Rosa kay PBB. Alam niyo kung nag-iisip ka, kung marunong kang mag-isip, Senator Bato de la Rosa, at kung makakarating man sa inyo itong video na to, si PBBM, advocate yan si PBBM ng paglaban sa OSAIC. Ano yung OSAIC? Online Sexual Abuse and Exploitation of Children. Advocate siya ng paglaban sa OSAIC. Advocate si PBBM ng paglaban sa pang-aabuso ng mga bata. Dapat alam mo yan, Senator Bato. Kasi, doon tumatakbo si PBBM, kasama yun sa mga sa mga plataforma niya. Naalala niyo yung interview siya ni Boy Abunda? Kasama yun, yung OSAIC. Kasama yung yung pang-aabuso sa mga bata, kung paano niya pipigilan yan. Tinanong siya tungkol doon sa interview ni Boy Abunda. Pwede niyo panoorin uli yun kung gusto niyo marinig. Pero kasama yun doon. Yung child abuse. Lalo yung child sexual abuse. Si PBBM, yun number 1 kalaban niya yun. Kung si Digong dati, gigil na gigil siya sa drugs, kahit na siya mismo ay gumagamit. Si PBBM, gigil na gigil yan sa child abuse. Gigil yan. Galit yan dyan. Tapos aapila ka na patigilin ang PNP sa pagtugis sa isang pedophile. That's stupid of you.